Quay, quay. Quay, quay. Neon Wabanaki. Pumpkin Scott. The Locust. Be with Jesus. Today I work with the sun. Every day I work with the sun. This is my Haines solar cooker, the reflector, and the lid that goes over it. But what I did here was I used a double pan. It's too bright, huh? Double pan. There's a rack in the bottom pan, and I got sweet potatoes in there. And those sweet potatoes are off the bottom, so they're staying more dry because they'll get damp. And the pan on top, absorbing a lot of heat, keeping the plastic from touching any of my food. And I don't want sun damage to the food. I don't always like clear lids. So the metal pan prevents sun damaging the nutrients and makes it hot like an oven. Keeps the plastic off. And underneath, I'll lift it up a little bit. See, I got clear mugs as a prop. You can use clear cooking jars, you know, mason jars. I got a couple of mugs. Everything's balanced on. And I actually just messed up my setup. There we go. I got the lid through the slot, and I got a block to keep the lid up. So this is a polycarbonate plastic, and polycarbonate is not a big fan of heat, but it's, well, excuse me, polycarbonate can handle heat. It's a Lexan. They can't. Acrylic can't handle the heat. Polycarbonate can handle the heat pretty good, but I still keep it off the metal using a block or whatever. So yeah, this is the Haines solar cooker, working a different way to cook. The other day I put my Kelly kettle in there and bagged it like that and put it on a stand, glass stand, and it took a long time. It took 2.5 hours to boil. Where this thing in the pot that it comes with, the Haines cooker with this pot, I can boil water on a Sunday like this, 35 minutes, a gallon, 35 minutes. And using my Kelly kettle in this, took 2.5 hours to do 1 liter, so that's not that efficient unless you're going to leave and you want to keep your stove running and come back to some hot water or something, you know. And yeah, so sweet potatoes, running the Haines cooker, modified using the bag, and a couple of pans. There you go. Get out, use the blessings that the Father Son gives us every day. These are here for us. Don't throw them away. Peace. Well, saw Meg with your